So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can use Genmoji on your iPhone. So this feature is available with iOS 18.2 update. So to use Genmoji, you will have to install iOS 18.2 update on your iPhone. For this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now tap on General, then tap on Software Update. Now install the latest update available. After this, go back to home screen. Now open the Message app. After this, tap here to write a new message. Now tap here and then tap on the sticker option. Now this is the Genmoji icon. Tap on it. After this, describe the emoji you want to create. For example, let's say dog. Tap on Done. And this will create the Genmoji. Swipe to see the variations. So this is how you can create Genmoji on iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.